Welcome to Luo English Dictionary, and this is day number 56 of the 5 Luo Words a Day. Today we talk about anwaya, anjago, anwaya, anwaya, anyier. Please subscribe to the channel and you can as well like the video. So let's start with anwaya. Anwaya. Anwaya means in a pinching manner. Because the word ngwenyo means to pinch. So, in a sentence you can say, ochamo kuon angwenya. Ochamo kuon angwenya. So, angwenya, kuon is this white substance made of flour. So, ochamo kuon angwenya. She's eating ugali by pinching. Our second word of the day is anjago. Anjago. So anjago is a species of tree. It has an edible fruit that looks like a guava. The one shown here is a guava, but it looks like that. And in a sentence you can say, ero mia anjago ariyo adwaro chamo. Ero mia anjago ariyo adwaro chamo. Okay. Our third word of the day is anjwech. Anjwech. Anjwech is tricky or cunning. Someone who has skills for deceit and evasion. Anjwech. Osiep Salim en wuoyi ma anjwech. Osiep Salim en wuoyi ma anjwech. So Salim's friend is cunning personality. Now, our fourth word is anwaya. Anwaya. Anwaya is something that it's an immature edible pumpkin which is used for making dippers. Anwaya. In a sentence, mia anwaya adwa loso godo chiemo. Mia anwaya adwa loso godo chiemo. And finally, our last word of the day is anyier. Anyier. The synonym is onyuere. Onyuere. Anyier. So that is a badger as seen in the picture. This is a badger. In a sentence we can say, aneno anyier e laro, chal ni guok omake e puodho. Aneno anyier e laro, chal ni guok omake e puodho. Great. That brings us to the end of this video. If you like this series, please give it a thumbs up so that it helps us send the video to other people. You can also share it with your friends, and please tell them that this series is now on the day number 55 and moving on. We shall see you tomorrow and keep on watching. Oriti, bye-bye.